Welcome to New Subject Every Day. On today's video, I'm going to be recreating a sound effects. There's this really cool sound effects. I'll play the clip right here.
Oh, hot, 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 hot.
Guys, I tried recreating this. I tried recreating on my TikTok. Watch my TikTok right here. Hot, 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 hot. Also, I'm going to try recreating it now. Ready? Here it goes. Hot, 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 hot. I'll play all three of them back to back to back. Hot, 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 hot.
Oh, hot, 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 hot.
Which one do you like better? Put in the comments down below. Also, make sure you go follow my Instagram right here. It's _cool_Steph. Also, you can follow my TikTok, which will be on the screen right here. It is _cool_Steph1. If you follow those, you can stay up to date on my life. I now have a mystery challenge. Are you ready to get into it? 3, 2, 1. Let's get into the crazy mystery challenge. Guys, I have a whole lemon. I also have all this salt right here. I will be using this GoPro so I can get a view from the bottom looking up. So let's get started. Let's go for a dip. This is literally salt. This is literally salt right here. Salt. Look at all this salt right here. Look at all this salt. Guys, I'm not ready to do this, but here we go. Oh. 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 That is awful. That is actually awful. This is actually awful. This is lemon. Dip in more salt. Guys, I think that's gonna be it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Remember to follow my Instagram right here and my TikTok right here, and subscribe to my channel. Road to 500. Let's go. Peace out, homies.